Hey all, it's Damira here. Welcome back to my channel if you've joined me before, and if you're new, welcome, and I hope that this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my Christmas coffee bar. Before we get started, I encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. Let's get right into it. To decorate my coffee bar for Christmas, I am using the black metal stand that I have in my room. Now, I was going to use the Peninsula, which is just the counter between our living room and kitchen like I always do. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to use it this time, so I had to adjust, and I am using, again, the stand that is in my room. Now, I do want to do an in-room coffee bar officially, but I haven't set this area up for it yet. So this is a temporary solution for the holidays. On this first shelf, I am adding in a gingerbread man stand that I got from at home, as well as some other gingerbread man items. I have a nice little Santa who's in some cozy pajamas and has a gingerbread cookie in his hand. And then I got these two cute cup candles. So they're made to look like coffee mugs, but inside they're candles, and they are peppermint. And I thought they would work well here. Right on that tray, I am adding in some coffee. And this is actually gingerbread coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. And then behind it, I put in 2 jars of spices. So one is cinnamon and the other is just a pumpkin pie spice that I usually use throughout the fall. And then I finally finished this shelf with 2 little gingerbread plushes. And so I thought that this little gingerbread theme was so cute for the first shelf that I carried it over to the second shelf. On this next shelf, I started with a gingerbread man shaped tray, and I decided to put my coffee pods into that tray. I had some help this time. My nephews happened to be here while I was decorating my coffee bar, and I like to involve them in many different things. I know they're going to be interested and want to touch everything anyway, so it just makes sense to sort of give them a task, and that way they have permission to touch certain things and they can be a part of this with me. And so we're just adding in coffee. I have 2 different pods here. The brand is just a generic ShopRite brand, but one is a donut shop coffee and then the other is just Colombian coffee. And we were adding those to the tray. Once I finished that, I added in just a few more items on this shelf, including some gingerbread cookies, and these are real cookies. So I got a cloche from a fall flea market a couple months ago, and after cleaning it, I just knew it would be perfect for this coffee bar. And then I added in those cookies and even made a few to look like they're standing up. And then I finished this shelf off with 2 mugs. One is just a reusable Starbucks cup, and the other is a clear glass mug with a peppermint bottom, and then a gingerbread stocking holder. On this third shelf, I am adding in another Santa, and this is my fisherman Santa. I thought that the little fisherman idea was just so cute, and so I got that Santa last year, and I wanted to include him again on the coffee bar. And then right in front of him, I just put down a stack of fake books that say sip, sit, enjoy, hot cocoa served here, which are just so cute for a coffee bar. And right on top of it, I put in a little cabin, so it kind of goes together with the fisherman Santa. And then I added in my little candies. So I got a basket from a fall flea market, but this was a couple of years ago. And inside of there, I always keep my Werther's caramels, but the coffee flavored ones, as well as a few mints that I just use throughout the year. And this time I added in some Belgian chocolates that I picked up from Home Goods. And then continuing on this shelf, I put in 2 more of the mug candles. And so they matched the 2 I used on the first shelf, except one is a hot cocoa candle and the other is, I believe, a cider. Then I added in some coffee, and this one is just a horchata coffee. I also picked that up from Home Goods. I usually try to find a coffee that I've never had before at random and just add it in on the coffee bar. And so that's my backup coffee there, and it's just gonna go back in the corner on this shelf. I finally added in some beautiful joy blocks to the front of this shelf, and I also got those from at home. They're really eye-catching. And then I put in my red Christmas tree coffee mug. And so this shelf, while not sticking with the gingerbread theme, still fits in perfectly. And now we are down to the final shelf, and this is just a quick one. I have this beautiful brown basket that I also got from at home. If you couldn't tell, there's a theme here. A lot of my decor comes from at home. But in this brown basket, I am just putting in my extra coffee syrups as well as my extra coffees. So I am using a salted chocolate caramel syrup this year, as well as a peppermint syrup. I think it's peppermint mocha. And then again, I just put the extra coffee in the basket as well. Then I had a beautiful mug, and it just says fa la 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 on it. It's a beautiful creamy color, and I put in some poinsettias that I just got from the dollar store last year. And then finally, I finished this shelf off with some, as I like to say, utilitarian items. So for my coffee maker, I have a little dump box, as well as a tamping mat, and then some rags. And at first I was just gonna put them there on the shelf, but then I brought in a little tray to pull it all together. So I wanna know if you guys decorate your coffee bars for the holidays. Do you leave it the same all year round, or do you change it up seasonally? If so, what do you do? What makes your coffee bar stand out during Christmas? Let me know in the comments below. Okay guys, here is the final look for my coffee bar. I am very pleased with how it turned out. Again, I wasn't planning to use this for my Christmas coffee bar or to have it in my room, but it worked out anyway. And then you can see on either side of this stand, I have my coffee makers. So I have one green one and then one blue one. And on that, near the blue coffee maker, there's a tray with all of my fixings. So I have my 2 syrups. I actually have a jar of sprinkles and a jar of marshmallows as well. And then later on, I put in some of my chai latte mixes. And I also keep on that tray my metal milk pitcher, as well as a milk frother and just some tools. And I even have a little coffee cup warmer. As for the rest of the coffee bar, again, you just saw me decorate it, but it turned out beautifully. From the gingerbread theme going on the first 2 shelves to the more traditional holiday colors on the last 2 shelves, I am just very pleased. And again, I use mostly items from at home, Target bullseye section, and a few thrifted finds. I will link as much as I can in the description box below. Alright guys, if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I really encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. Again, I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. I hope you've liked it. If you did, maybe leave an encouraging comment below and we can start a little chat. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas.